Hey, so if you want to create music videos using AI without editing everything manually, you can actually do it for free with Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the video generator or music video tool. This is where you'll build your AI music video. Now, upload your music track. This could be an original song, beat, or any audio you want to turn into a video. Next, pick a visual style. You can choose cinematic, abstract, lyric video style, or AI-generated visuals. Then, let the AI generate visuals that match your music. It will automatically sync visuals with the beat and mood. You can also add effects, transitions, or even lyrics on screen if you want a lyric video style. Next, adjust timing so visuals match the beat perfectly. This makes the video feel more professional. Finally, preview your music video. If everything looks good, export it in high quality. So yeah, that's how you can make free AI music videos using Dola AI. It's fast, creative, and perfect for content creators. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Hey, so